Hello everyone, this is Dr. Huma Ibrar. I hope you all will be enjoying your good health. So before starting this video, I would mention that I'm still not feeling well after my surgery and still in recovery stage. So sorry in advance for any mistake in this video. Okay, let's start. I will talk detail about requirements. What are the documents required for HAAD exam or DOH? Firstly, it was known as HAAD exam. Now it's also known as DOH, Department of Health. Required documents and what's UIN, about Dataflow, about Tamm portal and Pearson. So basically, in short, I will discuss all the steps required for HAAD exam, how to apply for HAAD exam, and how to get registered physiotherapist in Abu Dhabi. So let's start. Firstly, I will talk about required documents. The first one is passport size photo. So you should have passport size photo of yourself with white and blue background both. Okay. Then there is in scan form, and then you must have passport, your degree, bachelor's degree, your transcript, your experience certificate. About experience certificates, the experience needed for Abu Dhabi is 2 years. That should be a recent 2 years experience. And then license of your home country. In Pakistan, it's PEPTA, not council, but it's association, Pakistan Physical Therapy Association. You can get registered by them, and you can get membership of PEPTA, and also good standing certificate is also given by PEPTA. So how to get PEPTA license and how to get good standing certificate from PEPTA. You can mail me. My mail ID is given in description box of my all videos. So mail me. I will guide you further. Okay, next move towards DOH UIN. Then what you have to do is move towards DOH website. I have given that link below in description box. Check that link in description box. In here, DOH website, you have to make your unique identification number, as I have talked previously about UIN, unique identification number. Okay, see the link of DOH website below in description box. Then what you have to do, okay, this is DOH website screenshot. The following services are available through Abu Dhabi Government of Services platform. Okay, after making your unique identification number in DOH website, you have to move towards Dataflow. Okay, Dataflow video is a detailed Dataflow video link is given in description box. I have already made a detailed Dataflow video in my YouTube channel, so I will drop the link in description box. Okay, now using your unique identification number, get yourself login to Dataflow. Okay. For those who are searching for DHA license, video link is also shared below in description box. And for those who need exam material for Middle East preparation of physiotherapy license exam, you can contact me by my mail ID, and you can check the link of how to get exam material by clicking on that link. You will get the procedure about how to get that exam material. Email ID is also given in description box. So after doing your Dataflow, that is given, my video is about my video on Dataflow is already given in my YouTube channel, and the link is in description box. After Dataflow, what you have to do is move towards Tamm portal. What is Tamm portal? Tamm portal link is also given in my description box. Just move there and click on that. Okay, log in there. You have to log in there, follow the steps, submit application, and pay fee of 100 dirhams. And the fee for Dataflow of HAAD is approximately, I think, 11 to 1200 dirham. Okay, after opening that Tamm portal, you can open it through app or simply from Chrome. You will see that in right side, sign in with UAE pass. So don't worry about it, just click on it and you will see that there is option of sign in without Emirates ID. Click on that and follow the steps and just submit your application. Don't worry about it. Now, what is UAE pass? Read this. UAE pass is collaboration between Smart Dubai Telecommunication Regulatory Authority and Abu Dhabi Digital Authority, aiming to provide a single trusted digital identity solution for services. And you can read that all. Next, move towards Pearson. Just listen carefully that after completing each step, after completing UIN number in DOH website, after Dataflow, after Pearson, you will get a link in your mail ID from DOH or Dataflow. Follow that links. You must follow that links. Okay, after Dataflow, after completing Dataflow, you will get mail from Dataflow. Follow that mail and you can schedule your exam there and register yourself for exam by Pearson website. For DHA it was Prometric, but for HAAD and DOH it's from Pearson website. Click on the website given in email. I've also dropped a link of Pearson in my description box. You can check it there. Okay, follow the steps in email and here you go. So this is Pearson website screenshot. So stay connected for live form of filling of DOH and subscribe my channel and follow. You must have to follow for further important videos. Okay, that's it for today and thank you so much.